Guys, broken light over here.
She's not even 16, so she's immature.
You guys are going too fast. Who's she running again? She was dead.
That's for the next time.
Recite like the books and remember the big boys. And that would be a little bit too easy if I just told you where it was, right?
How about now?
Спасибо.
Фу, у меня комары.
Короче, so I'll give you like a riddle, and then if you guys can figure out the riddle, then I'll give you another clue to lead you to the medallion. Cause like I'm crippled, I can't just give it to you.
You just saw you running.
I'll give you by the QR code.
Turn to find an air tag.
Give you by the air tag. That way. The white box. The white box over there.
If you want to see.
Hold on. Ready? Still needs to reset it. On.
I'm so tired.
Go in the dark. They like shot it up there and everything.
How did they put dots in
You
the
guys are
tree?
just immature. That's why I should be your staff instead of you guys.
Okay, buddy.
That's fine.
Are they all connected or is each one?
I think each one is playing from a phone nearby.
So
Тебе мешает что-то все?
Я не собиралась, а если не было.
Ну, так,
Я говорю, а что там будут делать, что одиночек ходить?
и это. И мы решили... Ага.
From that scale into the oven, they were thrown without fail.
Давай. Ки какой у вас?
Да.
Ну, ки какой у вас?
bro.
You're recording this whole thing? How long is it?
It's 3 minutes now.
Wait, where's the smoke? The machine over there. What if it's over there?
There's a smoke machine.
Oh.
Там холодно будет.
Там холодно, говорит.
Oh, that means we have to go the other way.
Это смог кто напоминает,
Burn it.
молодец,
No,
Bro, it smells so
I
bad.
bet you we saw it, but we just didn't like. Горячее, горячее, Алан. Ну, там холодно. Нашел? Вот. Окей, слухай. Не трогайте ключ. Ой, веревку.
Not many.
Persian?
I'm starting.
So clearly
His arm started. Spin me around.
It's what God wrote. It's what God wrote on the wall during the
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, and it's what Daniel like
Many.
translated.
What was the translation?
Many.
I'm not gonna do it.
Sorry, that was just turned on by this remote. This remote is pointed this way. So it's telling me somewhere in this direction.
Oh, it's probably the sign from earlier.
He was playing video games. Can I read it to everyone?
In the yard.
Hey, wait, did you take two or just one?
Because we already have the ones that see that.
Man, he can
Here.
Bro, I feel bad for whoever's taking it. Are we done? No. How much fish?
Окей, статую. Короче, статую. Так, читай. Первое слово right. Right.
Не, вы не на таблет смотрите, а вспоминайте, что в Библии написано. Это мы сделали из того, чего было.
We have silver. Yeah, we have silver next. So it's 60 steps to the right.
I can see the lion. It's on your right.
Wow, look at that. Look at the lion.
I'm scared.
Boy, set him up.
Don't get scared. There it goes.
Does he speak to us?
Ashley, finally, man.
Can we talk with him?
Do it. Guys, you know this is a projection. This is not actually
I have no idea. They're just in the back.
А что, им нельзя?
Не, они просто стихи ж не знают наши. Alright, it's me here. I'm recording.
Should be looking for you. Trying to prank somebody.
Я думаю, еще придут эти, которые здесь. А я не знаю, не брали? Я им давала.
For your video, Dima.
Go. Nice. And let's go down. Yeah! 10.
Oh, that's what we did.
Yeah, they robbed me.
So they come, they solve the riddle, and then, oh no, let's do it again. Turn it off, and then on. Cool. Thank you.
And then did this thing work? And then we were writing everything. I'm like, why are we writing these pictures of